Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, ninwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Ka chairperson jongka All India Trinamool Congress ka Mamata Banerjee ha ka jingkran jongka ha ka jingelang jongka ni ka seng lalong ha ka khatlai tarik no pra arjar afuar hanong ba Shillong kala ong bah West Bengal ka jela ba kalong ka menteri rang ba ki khana school ki Samla Pule ki Kolej ki yo ban Leit Pule ai Khlem kanu jing Siew kala ong bah Meghalaya ru la da ki pat ba ki jet ka TMC ba kan yalam ka sarkar kini ki jing mentoi ken yo komba ki pat ba ka West Bengal ki yo Kama Mamata Banerjee kala kedoi ki bubun ki kam ki baka TMC kala le ha West Bengal nadu ka kot ka khia bat ki wei pat ki mat bat kala kular balada ki pat ba ki jet ka TMC ha kene ka jela kin yo bun ki jing mentoi.
For women empowerment scheme the We Card. It is a promise
Tamrang belungen tham doa aru cylinder gas PPL lo hajar sar chak tham dake dau nanangenga
kau urut kadar bar bro bit menu bit sabar bar bro yang mau urut kadar
Under the scheme, a direct transfer of rupees 1,000 per month, yearly rupees 12,000 will be made to a woman in every household as guaranteed income support. Four key features of this scheme are that it is a periodic scheme, it is non-discriminatory in nature, it is universal and unconditional direct transfer to the beneficiaries. Introducing the We Card by Meghalaya TMC.
There is a news rumor. What rumor? Trinamool Congress is a Bengali party. If Trinamool Congress, All India Trinamool Congress is a Bengali party, then why do you song for Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, the national song? He is from Bengal. But the song is a national song for all over the country. Rabindranath Tagore visited so many times in Meghalaya. It was his favorite place. But national song also. Who have written this? Rabindranath Tagore. And now it is for all India. Janagana Mana Udinaya Kojahi. You tell me Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. His slogan is Joy Hind. Can you say that he is only Bengali? Mother Teresa also got Nobel Prize from Calcutta. Can you say that he is a Bengali? Why do we divide the caste to caste? Religions to religions. Let us work together. Let us think together. Let us speak together. I think Trinamool Congress, BJP is jealous because they tried their best in our election also. What they have not done, everything, misusing the power. But at least we have got 2/3 majority. They cannot defeat us. And Meghalaya also, I am telling you, when I started Trinamool Congress Party, 98, after 2 months, they are at the parliament election. People even were not aware about the flag, about the symbol. They were watching, waiting. But first time we have got the 7 MPs. Now I have 36 MPs. And they raised your voice. Already they raised the voice of Meghalaya. At Trinamool Congress, it is not West Bengal Trinamool Congress, it's all India Trinamool Congress. Why do we say Trinamool? Trinamool means the grassroots. Without the block leaders, you cannot survive. Without the volunteers, you cannot survive. Without the grassroots workers, you cannot survive. That's why we said that all the leaders of Trinamool, they are not the leaders. My workers are the leaders. That is the ideology of Trinamool. So AITC is of the people, by the people, for the people. And that's why if somebody criticizes, then ask them. Why don't you ask BJP? Why they neglect Meghalaya? Why they neglected northeastern region? Why they are ruling either from Guwahati or from Delhi? What about the son of the soil? Our motto to wipe out all these type of things. We want the land of the soil will run Meghalaya, not the outsiders. In my state, if any incident happened, we give rupees and 1 employment, government employment. Please remember it. Even the police personnel also, we took care. COVID, whoever died, for their family also, we have given employment. I have that advantage. Meghalaya, just before of the election, you will see so many big leaders will come and tell so many things, so many stories like this, that we will allow you everything, we will see this, we will give you gold, we will give you minerals, we will give you diamond. But why not before the election? These 5 years you did nothing. The unemployment people are very high unemployment ratio. Are you telling, I know Northeastern is a women-dominated area. All the state. You tell me, how many women voters, women elected candidates do you have? Everybody before Lok Sabha election said 33% reservation we want. But it is the only Trinamool Congress party, our elected member 35% among the women. It is not a matter of joke. We show the way. We show the light. And I came to Meghalaya because I love Meghalaya. I think they have nothing done. Now, regarding students, no concession, nothing. What they do, I do not know. But in my state, all the students, they get free education. The government school, the girl child, college, school, college to university, they get the free education. We give the Konyasri. Now in healthcare, total free. You have one medical college. I have set up 33 medical colleges. In our time, nobody can compare West Bengal, I am telling you. We have so many social schemes. We provide students 10 lakh for smart card for their education. We provide the farmers 10,000 rupees every month. We provide the women what they said. We program. In my state, it is I first started. We call Lakshmi 100 crores people. And for general caste, we give 500 rupees. Women are so happy. The health card, it is not Ayush. That state government is to give 40%. I don't know how they manage. We have not received that. We have started Shastha Sathi card. Means, Shastha means health. Sathi means friend. Friendly health card. This card gives 5 lakh rupees to everybody. And do you know how do we distribute this money, this card? The women only we hand over. The guardian, the women guardian of the family. It is a women empowerment. For students also I told you. For unemployed youth, Bengal decreased 40% and country increased 40%. I have so many industry, and if you vote for Trinamool Congress, we will try how to set up the industry, how to set up the hospital, how to set up the university, how to set up the good school, how to set up the circumstances, and to do all-round development for women. Even we go give money. At the marriage time of the girl child, 25,000 rupees. If anybody died, you know there are so many poor families, they cannot go for cremation. They have to wear white cloth and everything. But they are so poor. So there also if they ask, we give 2,000 rupees to them. If any newborn baby, they see the sky, we give one big tree. Means when he or she will be 18 years old, the price of the tree will be 3-4 lakhs rupees. So birth to death, we have every program. For labor also, I know there are so many industries are closed. Mining industries are closed here. The laborers are suffering. I do not know whether they have the labor welfare fund or not. If Trinamool wins, we will do the labor welfare fund also. You know, in every sector, from fishermen to women, to students, to youth, to farmers, to minorities, everything we done. Your Merry Christmas is coming. I will request somebody come to Calcutta and see how we decorate at the time of Christmas. And 21st I will inaugurate. You tell me why BJP cancelled the holiday for 25th, Merry Christmas Day. Very sad. It is intentionally they have done. It is a deliberate attempt. But in my state, I gave 1 day more chutti because it was Sunday, it is Sunday, so they cannot enjoy. So next day is also chutti because it's a big festival. It's a big festival. They can accuse me, they can abuse me, it is politically, I will fight it out, no problem. But tell me why they have taken away the land of Meghalaya without consulting the people. We chase them. If you have the guts, return the land to Meghalaya. Return the land to Meghalaya. You are taking away everything for Meghalaya. And Assam Rifles is coming, and police coming and killing the people, and after that no arrest, nothing, only the showcase, the eyewash. There is no security for the people. There is no safety of the people. So please, I will request all of you, convene your brothers and sisters and mothers, fathers, whoever it may be in different family, that vote for TMC and you will see a change. If you go to Calcutta now, then you will see a change. How it has been developed. Everybody comes and tell, so good, so nice, so cute. I want that Meghalaya also should get that. Our intention is not to capture the power. Our intention is not to control Meghalaya from Kolkata. But our intention, your son of the soil, they will take care. Only we as your sister, Abhishek as your brother, we can help you, we can advise you, we can give you the assistance. We can discuss with the industry, give some industry. Because in my state, so many industrialities there. We'll ask them, give them the tourism program, more and more. Do we have the safe house tourism program in Meghalaya? No. We do it. We give 1 lakh rupee to every family to set up a room for outsiders, for tourists. And they get all the, whatever they earn, because they supply the food, they supply the bed and everything, so they get the income. It is not here. They are telling me Bengalis. Yes, I am Bengali, I am proud to say, but I am for all India. I worked as a railway minister twice. Then you didn't say I am a Bengali. I worked for coal and mines. I worked for women and child minister. I worked for youth and sports minister. And I am the MP of 7 times. Do you know once what happened? CPM captures all the seat. Only I was alone. And CPM said, now Trinamool is finished. And I said, you cannot finish us because we will survive, because we can fight. Our battle is too much. Every day we are fighting. They are not giving us money. Nothing. But can you tell me if anything is stopped? Gramin Rasta, Sorok, jo hai, village road, we are number 1 in India. The housing program, we are number 1 in India. Even 100 days job, we are number 1 in India. That's why they have stopped the money. Education, it may be you compare, it is number 1, Jadavpur University. The Calcutta University is number 2. St. Xavier's University is also there. And I am proud to see my Christian brothers and sisters that St. Xavier's offered me D-Lit. Because I am their alumni. Though I didn't study at St. Xavier's, but I am associated with them and they announced me alumni. I used to go for their Xmas Day program. This land also have given the St. Xavier's University. They have started the St. Xavier's from last 2 years. They started St. Xavier's University, and now it is beautiful, excellent. You must go, you must visit, and you must see. For minorities also, we have set up the university, like Aliyah University. We have set up the Hajj Tower. Everything we do. Every time they used to go to Hajj, government arrange everything. Even for student madrasa to school, we give from primary school shoes, the cloth, the books, and midday meal, everything. I am assuring you, to create the infrastructure, to create the Meghalaya as a beautiful state from all point of view, tourism, to industry, to mining, to student, to youth, to farmers, to minorities, we will take care. Don't you think only I came today? It is not. I'll come so many days. Because when I love somebody or love some state, there it is my duty. Even Abhishek will be also coming. Now Abhishek is only working for Meghalaya. Goa, our problem is there was no leadership. But Meghalaya, our advantage is we have so many leaders. Charles is there, Mukul Sharma is there, and he is the ex-chief minister. Who can say that tomorrow also they will be the chief minister? And they will work for the Meghalaya